regular lady dazzler is me old Skilara hat. Now Patsy Byrne brag about the hat his father wore. No doubt it was a great cap in the merry days of yore, but now it's a little bit out of date, and let me tell you that it wouldn't hold a candle to me old Skilara hat. It was worn by me father at the patterns, wakes and fairs, when all the boys and pretty girls were sure to be all there. It was built 100 years ago, and devil no worse for that. A regular lady dazzler is me old Skilara hat. While walking down the street one night, the royal house to see, sure all the boys from Golden Head came shouting after me. There goes the Duke of Jesberg, boys, and he's an aristocrat. The boys that didn't know me in me old Skilara hat. It was worn by me father at the patterns, wakes and fairs, when all the boys and pretty girls were sure to be all there. It was built 100 years ago, and devil no worse for that. A regular lady dazzler is me old Skilara hat. Hey! Of England just a week ago today. She shook me warmly by the hand and asked me home to tea. Harry Pat, says she, I'm glad to see you're looking so fine and fat, when all the time she was staring at me old Skilara hat. It was worn by me father at the patterns, wakes and fairs, when all the boys and pretty girls were sure to be all there. It was built 100 years ago, and devil no worse for that. A regular lady dazzler is me old Skilara hat. It was worn by me father at the patterns, wakes and fairs, when sticks and stones and broken bones came flying through the air. It was built 100 years ago, and devil no worse for that. A regular lady dazzler is me old Skilara hat. It was worn by me father at the patterns, wakes and fairs, when sticks and stones and broken bones came flying through the air. It was built 100 years ago, and devil no worse for that. A regular lady dazzler is me old Skilara hat. A regular lady dazzler is me old Skilara hat.